Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of some aux beam LED bulbs that I'm going to be installing on a 2007 Chevy Impala tomorrow. Let's get right into it. So I use these aux beam LED headlights on my wife's Honda Accord for her high beams. Also on my GTI I've used these. Had them in for a couple years without any problems. So they're a pretty good product. I will have the link in the description for Amazon where you could get it. This is a H11 bulb. Let's do a quick unboxing, see what's in the box so you could see. Oh, that's pretty cool. You got some nice stickers. We're gonna throw these up on the cabinet in the garage where I have all my stickers there. Some nice packaging. Let's see what we have. Probably the instructions. Yes, so they come with your instructions, how to mount the bulbs properly, yada yada. It's very simple, I know all that. And let's get right into the bulbs here. So very high quality. The metal feels fantastic. You got the little fans in the back. These are 6K. They're rated to 50,000 hours without fading. You have your small ballast right here. And it's basically plug and play. So you unhook the old bulb, plug this new one in, fit this inside the housing, and we're good to go. So tomorrow, when my wife's uncle comes, we're going to install these on his Impala, and I'll show you a before and after of the light output on these. So stay tuned for that, guys. All right, there's the car that we're gonna be fixing. As you can see, one headlight is out already, and the other one is a dull yellow halogen. So let's get to work on these bad boys. Usually it's gonna be pretty easy on these kind of cars, but here that centerpiece fell out, so we're gonna have to fix that and then install the new bulbs. All right, so we're gonna pop this headlight off here. So I believe it's this clip here. Take that out. And then you got a little plastic piece here. This one that holds it. Yeah, it's hard to see, but it's fine. All right, so we'll disconnect the harness. And now we're gonna try to fish this piece out of here. Guys, so this is the old bulb. We're gonna be replacing it with this new LED. It's very simple, plug and play. Here is the centerpiece that we're going to enter this to. Just have to align those tabs. The big one is on this side. And all you do is twist to lock it into place. But the important thing is you got to make sure that inside the bulb, the headlight is pointing up and down and not side to side. And right now it is up and down, so we're good to go on this side. So what we're gonna do is we need to plug in the connector that powers this bulb. And that's right here. Clips right in. And the rest of this stuff we're gonna hide inside the housing of the headlight. We just have to make it fit. All right, and then we will put the cap on. So I have this string hanging out here because this is the line that we fished out, that metal piece I showed you earlier. So we're just holding it in place here temporarily until we find a better solution for this. All right, put that is it. We twist it into place and we got one done. I'm gonna cut off this excess or wrap it around something, and we'll install the headlight. So let's come on over here. So that is done. We're gonna move on to the other side, rinse and repeat, and then we'll show you the finished product. All right guys, we have finished installing the LEDs on this 2008 Impala LTZ. Let me show you the finished product. Granted, it is daytime, so it might be a little hard to see, but those suckers are so much brighter than the factory halogens, and they're gonna make a world of difference at night. So as you can see, he has some yellowing here. Let me grab my rubbing compound and try to polish this out, and I'll show you what I could do afterwards. All right guys, so I got some rubbing compound on my polisher. Coming closer right here so I can show you how this headlight looks. You see this hazing on top. We're gonna try to eliminate some of this so the headlight looks a little clearer. So I'll show you an after. All right guys, so there it is. Slightly better than it was before. I mean, these headlights are pretty old. Can't remove all the oxidation. This one came out a little bit better, but that's basically it. There you go guys. Beautiful LED 6000K. They look great. That's gonna do it for this video. Please make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell icon, and stay up to date with all future videos. Peace out.